say, I am sorry. Oh no. I just met you, Janet. And here's my number. So call me Garci. Hello, Garci.
Oink. Who wants fork? Its minimum value is 100. It's a 100 million pesos.
Oh, cheap. No. I spend a minimum of 100 million pesos a day.
I spend 10 million per day.
10 million per day na.
Sino po doon?
Kodigon, no?
It's $10 million per day.
$10 million per day? Oh, how poor. No, Janet, you know what? You are such an imitator, Janet.
Of course not. Why do you say so?
Because when I was supposed to be under jurisdiction, I let myself to get sick. You see this? You imitated me.
Oh, my dear Gloria.
All people like us.
Do that.
Oh, really, Janet?
You are such a loser. Don't you know?
I am not a loser, Janet. I am not a loser. And you are the loser. You know why?
Why?
Because, remember, Janet, I am the congresswoman. And I am still free, even though I am worse than you.
You know, you are so nakaka-GRRR. At least I have a VIP treatment, you know?
Whatever you say, Janet, you're still a loser, no? We are already in hell. I must go.
Really? You're wasting my time here. You must go now.
Well, enjoy your stay here, Janet. Please send my regards to your friends, Bongbong Marcos.